welcome to my channel. So in this video there are two goals. The first goal is to see how to solve this problem. So you're going to do some problem solving work and do some coding work after that. The second goal is to see how you should behave in a real interview. So let's get started. So remember, in a real interview, the first step is always try to understand the question. If there's anything unclear, please bring up the question to the interviewer, so don't be shy. And also at the same time think about some edge cases. So let's take a look at this question. So you're playing the balls and calls game with your friend. So you write down a secret number and ask your friend to guess what the number is. So when your friend makes a guess, you provide a hint with the following info. So the number of balls, which are digits in the guess that are in the correct position, and the number of calls, which are digits in the guess that are in your secret number but are located in the wrong position. So specifically, the non-ball digits in the guess that could be rearranged such that they become balls. So balls means digits in the right direction. Digits in the correct position. So for both the position match and also the number match. So calls means digits is definitely in the secret answer, but located in the wrong position. Okay, so it is okay. So I understand this one. So given the secret number, secret, and your friend's guess, and return a hint for your friend's guess. So the hint could be X, A, Y, B. So X is the number of balls, Y is the number of calls, okay? So let's see. So if we have 1807, so balls is 8. So there is a match, which is this 8, and so one of its balls, 3 is call. So we have 107, but in the wrong positions. So for this one, we have one ball. So we have one call. That is because we have this one match with this one, but it's in the wrong position. I see. Yeah, so that makes sense. So for this one, 0 and 0. For this one, 1 and 0. Okay, let's see the constraints. So it said that the length is never gonna be secret and guess, never going to be empty. So is it possible that it seems like that secret and guess has the same length. Okay, it has the same length, yes. And also secret and guess consists of digits only. Alright. So having said that, the next part is about finding solutions. So we have pretty much understand the question, and it seems like there isn't too much room for us to find the edge case. So let's start to think about solution. So the solution is, let's say we do one pass through the string. So if we compare the corresponding position of a character within secret and guess, if it is a good match, both the character match and also character match and also the position match, then we are going to increase the number of the balls. And how to compute the number of calls. So what we need to do is we need to record down the number of the number of how many numbers are matching between secret and guess. So what we could do is we could use a hash map to first record down the number and the frequency. This is for secret. So every time we encounter a number, if it appears in the map, then we are going to decrease the frequency in the map. If the frequency becomes 0, then we are going to delete the corresponding key from the map. And this one, at the same time, when we update the frequency, we are going to update the count for the how many number of matching digits. So at the end, we have the number of balls and the number of matching digits. So the number of calls is just the number of matching digits minus the number of balls. So this is an ON solution, and the space-wise is going to be constant because this is limited to digits only. So having said that, let's do some coding work. So for coding, take care about the correctness of the code, readability of the code, and also don't be too slow. So let's get started. So initially we should have secret and guess. Okay, so I think we don't need to do some edge case checking here because it says that the secret and guess are going to have the same length and the digits only, so I think we don't need to check about the illegal things. So let's start to do something directly. So it is going to be a character, and this is the integer. So map is going to be digit frequency. So actually this is digit frequency is equal to a new hash map. It's like we have the balls, and initially that's 0, and we have the matching digit as equal to 1 as 0 currently. So we are going to do one pass dot length plus plus I. So car CS is equal to, this means the car in the secret. So this is new sorry, this is secret dot car at I, and then we have the car in the gas. This is called CG, so this is like gas dot car at I. Alright, so if CS is equal to CG, then you're going to plus the balls, and also at the same time you're going to have digit. Let's say we define another thing. Let's say private void say update map. So we are going to have a map has the character and the integer. So this is the map, and also we have the corresponding key. So this is the key. So we are going to do, what we are going to do is we are going to decrease the frequency. If the frequency is equal to 0, we just remove it. So we are going to say okay dot put so this is map dot get key minus 1, and then if map dot get key is equal to 0, then you're going to have map dot remove the key from it. So that's it. We are going to have update map. This is digit frequency, and also the key is CS. So otherwise, if it's not equal, then we need to see whether the CG, so the character CG, if it is within the map. So if digit frequency dot contains key, if it contains the CG, then we just need to update the frequency of this digit frequency map, and also the CG for it. Sure. So yeah, I think we also need to plus the matching digit here. So if it contains this, we are going to update it and plus matching digits. And finally, what we are going to do is we are going to return. So it is going to be balls plus this A plus the matching digit plus the B here. Okay, so I think that's mostly it. Let's do another check. So remember, after you're done with coding, please do some testing here. So you have the digit frequency here. Yeah, the balls matching digits. So if it is equal, then both we are going to have the balls and matching digit updating. So then we update the map. So update the map means that you minus it, and then sure. And also if if it's not equal, then we are going to update the digit frequency. So if we update the digit frequency, if it contains a CG, then we are going to update the frequency. Sure. So if it contains a CG, we are going to update the frequency. Well, yes, I think it's fine. I think the thing is we also need to have this here. That is because if we potentially when we update the map here, potentially we could remove the key from the map, even though the key used to exist in the digit frequency map. If we just if in the else branch we remove the key from the map, then it can cause some issue if we try to get the key. If we try to get the key here within this if branch. So let's run it. So it says that update key is update map, character integer character. Okay. Alright, so it's wrong answer. Let's see why. So it is 18077810. Supposedly we have 1A, 1B, 1A, 3B. So let's see why it is not really there. Oh, okay, so I forgot to initialize this. Sorry. So I need to initialize this one, so which I didn't do it. So int I is equal to character C is equal to secret dot to card array. So digit frequency dot put dot get or default. This is C 0 plus 1. This is the C. Okay. So after that, okay, so it is still. Oh, so this is we need to minus the balls from here. Alright, so that should be it. Let's do a submission for it. Okay, it's wrong answer. Let's see why. So here we have one two twos, and we have expected 3A and 1B. So 3A is right, but why do we have 1B here? So let's take a look. So first of all, we have the digit frequency initialized here, and we have CS and CG. So if CS is equal to CG, then we are going to plus the ball and plus the matching digit. So for the first one, we have both plus 1. For the second one, we are going, because it's not something equal, so we are going to say, okay, it's not this if branch, but we are going to definitely update. So if the digit frequency contains the CG, of course, yes, we are going to have the plus the matching digits and also update the maps. So we update the map. What we do? So what do we do? So what we do is we keep the put key in -1, so if it is equal to 0 then we remove the key. Okay, and the second one, so but actually I think yeah, let me go through this one seriously. So first of all, we have the map something like 1 and 2 and 2 and 2 2 2. So that's the thing. 1, this is 2. So that's the thing. And first of all, we have so we have balls at 0 and matching digits at 0. So let's copy it here. So at the very beginning, first of all, we are going to update the balls and matching digit as 1, and we are going to so because it contains the CS, so we are going to update the 1 to be frequency of 1 to be 1. So we have consumed 1 here, and the next one, it is 2. It is not matching, so we are going to say okay, it contains a 2, so we are going to plus a matching 1, and also we are going to minus this one frequency. Okay, so for the third one, we have 2 and 2, which is matching, so we are going to have both increased. This is 2 and this is 3, and we are going to actually update the digit frequency map. So we have the digit frequency map, this is 2, so we have this one as 0. So when it is 0, we are going to remove the key from it. And the last one, we have 2 and 2 matching. Oh, okay, so actually the matching stuff, the matching stuff is not really cool. So if it is matching, then we are still trying to plus this one here. Yeah, so instead we need to move it here, move it inside. So it's like if we have already consumed all the so if we consume the budget for us to match, then we just don't update the matching digit. So after that, I think it should be able to solve this problem. Let's do another submission. Okay, yeah, that's true. So the issue is if we have already consumed the 2, so there's no room for us to find the matching for the 2 between the stuff. So we need to take care about that one. Other than that, I think we should be good. So that's it for this coding question. And if you have any question about this solution or about whatever, feel free to leave some comments below. If you like this video, please help subscribe this channel. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.